12 seconds later.
So I want to ask you something. What comes in your mind when you think of lapel mics? Majority of you will say Boya BY-M1. Definitely Boya BY-M1 is good in terms of audio quality, but there is one more competitor. It is Ahuja MTP20 lapel mic. I have purchased it, and what is the special feature? It is unidirectional mic. It is not omnidirectional like Boya BY-M1. So let's unbox it. Let's see that what are the inbox contents and also how is the audio quality. Let's start. Hi friends, you're watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. Okay, so this is the box of the Ahuja MTP20, and on the back side there is information about this mic. As you can see, transducer type is of electret condenser, polar pattern is unidirectional, frequency response is from 100 till 15,000 Hz, sensitivity is of 7.0, output connection is of 3.5 mm, cable length is of 5 meters. Talking about the MRP price is 875 rupees, but I have purchased this mic for rupees 709 from Amazon, but now it is available for rupees 749. I will give you link in the description. Okay, now let's unbox this mic. In the box you will get one pouch, okay, which is of average quality. It is not too good, not too bad. Sorry for the background noise. And here is the mic, and I think that here is the neckband also. Here is the wind foam and one connector, and this is the collar clip. Okay, now let's talk about this mic. Talking about the build quality of this mic, build quality is really good. I will open this first. So this is the neckband, okay, and this is our mic, Ahuja MTP20. It is unidirectional mic. It is not omnidirectional like Boya BY-M1. Now I will connect this mic with my phone. I am using iPhone 7, and now you are hearing the audio from the iPhone 7 with the inbuilt mic of the iPhone 7. Now I will connect this mic and let's see that how is the audio quality. Does it make any difference or not? So let's start. Now all of you might be thinking that how I will connect this Ahuja mic because there is 3.5 mm jack. So I will connect with this lightning to 3.5 mm adapter. Yeah, now I will connect this with my iPhone 7 and let's see that how is the audio quality. So I have connected Ahuja MTP20. This is the lavalier microphone. It is unidirectional mic. Now I have not attached the collar pin, so I am going to speak like this. Yeah, I think that it is on. I'm going to say something. Hi friends, you are watching All About Tech. In this video I have unboxed Ahuja MTP20. This is the audio sample. Please tell me in the comment section that how is the audio quality? Is it good or not? Now I have connected the collar pin and I think that there is some minor difference in the audio quality. When you will keep this mic near your mouth, then you will get good amount of bass and treble, but when you will keep it here, then you will get standard audio quality. I think that it is really good. Please comment down below. And now let's shift to the iPhone 7, inbuilt mic of the iPhone 7. Now I have disconnected the Ahuja mic and this is the audio sample with the inbuilt mic of the iPhone 7. Now only you can judge that how is the audio quality. I think that in this sample there will be some echo and also some background noise, but when I connected the Auja MTP20, then I think that background noise was less and also sound quality or audio quality was really good. So yeah, this was the sample. Okay, so this was the unboxing and audio test of the Auja MTP20. Now also I've connected this Auja MTP20. I have not used the collar pin and also I have not used the neckband. I will use it later. In terms of audio, I think it is really good as it is unidirectional mic, so it captures really good audio and it captures less background noise. Talking about the price, it is available for rupees 749 on Amazon. I have purchased it for rupees 709. So yeah, I will give you link in the description. You can check that what is the price of this mic. So I have disconnected the Auja MTP20 and as you can hear there is some background noise. Now let's come to conclusion that if you should buy this mic or not. Now if you want unidirectional mic, then you can purchase Auja MTP20. If you want omnidirectional mic, then there are many other options like Boya BY-M1. There is one mic from Digitech. Also there is one mic from Wright, which is Wright LAV101. So there are many options in the omnidirectional pattern. But in this unidirectional pattern, I think that Auja mic is really good. Auja MTP20 is really good. It depends on you that if you want omnidirectional mic or unidirectional mic. Now if you want in-depth review of this Auja mic, then please tell me in the comment section below. I will try to make its in-depth review. I will use it for 10 to 15 days and after that I think I will know its pros and cons and I will tell you in the review video. But please tell me in the comment section. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Subscribe to All About Tech. Follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Soumil_AT. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.